Okay, here's a little video on adding and subtracting decimals. And whenever you add or subtract decimals, you need to line up the decimal points. So here's a problem: 1.053 plus 24.27. Or you could read this as 1 and 53. What would that be? Hundredths or thousandths? Well, let's see. This is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So it would be 1 and 53 thousandths plus 24 and 27 hundredths. Now, even if you see the problem written horizontally like that, I would write it vertically. So let me go ahead and rewrite the problem. 1.053, vertical means up and down, so let's write it that way. 1.053, and the other number is 24. So what I'm going to do is, see, this has 0 in the tens place, so I'm going to move the 24 over here so that the decimal point lines up. 24.27. So again, when you add or subtract decimals, do them vertically like this and line up the decimal point. You can see that the decimal point is right underneath of each other right here. And we're adding these. Let me put a little plus sign here. Now, you can put as many zeros as you want to the right of that decimal point, because 27 hundredths is the same as 270 thousandths. So we just add straight down now. 3 and 0 is 3. 5 and 7 is 12. Let me carry my 1. And I get 1 and 2 is 3. Here's a decimal point. 4 and 1 is 5. And here's a 2. So what do I end up with? Well, I get 25.323, which is the same as 25 and 323 thousandths. Let's go ahead and do this problem, line up the decimal points. So we got 24.27. And I'm going to be subtracting off 1.053. So again, notice that I lined up the decimal point, and we have to do some subtracting here. Now, the number that's right here is a 0. If it's not there, I can always add a 0 here. Now, to subtract the 3, I'm going to have to borrow or regroup, however you like to say that, from the 7 to make it 6 here and 10 over here. Now I can subtract the 3 from the 10 and get 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. Put in your decimal point. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 2 minus 0 there is 2. So I get 23.217, or 23 and 217 thousandths. That'd be good. And we'll go over multiplying and dividing fractions on the next video.